I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories.
Okay, so this is really suitcase. I'm packing for vacation. This is suitcase number 1, suitcase number 2. There is definitely some stuff in there that shouldn't be because they've been like this for a week now, but I really needed to get a head start. So, hey everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. Alright, so let me introduce y'all to the mess that this weekend is. So, it's a busy weekend. It's one of those weekends when all 3 of the members of my family who have very natural hair needed to get their hair done. So hubby had his hair washed and done. My daughter has had her hair washed and has like an in-between style that needs to be done because there's no way I'm gonna be doing her every day. And then there's me. My hair is also going to need a couple of hours. There's shopping, there's birthday parties, a bag of things. Like this weekend really be weekending. And so there isn't content. I will try my best to get you 20 to 30 minutes of something. But I honestly don't know. If you're seeing this, it means I came through. But honestly, there's a very good chance that it might be easier for me to find 30 minutes to sit down and do a talk to you guys kind of video instead of like a vlog this week. But anyway, we move. Y'all, let me tell you what just happened to me. Okay, so I go into Marshall's. I'm looking at a couple of dresses and it turns out that I'm only purchasing one. From when I was in the thing, I looked at the dress and saw it was $30. Well, $29.99. Cool. I get to the cashier. Tell me why the lady scanned the dress and like I'm double checking the price as I'm tapping. Why is 66? It says $66. I'm like, hold on, because at this point, if the dress is $66, the dress is gonna have to stay with Marshalls because it's not a $66 kind of dress. And she goes, "Oh, I'm so sorry," and she immediately refunds the transaction and then do it again. Like she scanned the dress and it said $66. She scanned it a second time and the $30 came up. What is going on? What is going on? Excuse y'all, be safe in the streets. Anyway, back on the run. Guys, my ear said them something wrong, but I truly thought like it was a one-off. Like a messed up, like, no, I'm gonna have to start double checking these receipts because ain't no way. Ain't no way.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. Oh, no one's.
This is Davidson, a tiny town of 1,100 people.
Starlight, lying we're fine.
a retirement party in this cute little art gallery in Davidson. It's right behind me. I took video of inside so I could show you. We're in this little town called Davidson, Saskatchewan. It's about an hour and a half between Regina and Saskatoon. And it was so cool. They live there in the art gallery, the owners. Okay, so big up all the people that say you're going to do a squat challenge with me. I think I figure out a format for how this is gonna work, but we can't start this week. As y'all can see, I'm battling for my life, so we cannot start this week. We're gonna start next Wednesday. So next Wednesday vlog, that's when we're gonna start. I think I have an idea, but it not really come to me now. So let me put it together for how we're gonna do it. I think we should maybe use an honor system where, or do you guys want to go live? You know what? Let me give y'all the opportunity to structure this. So if y'all want to go live, if that's what you want to do, if we could do live once a week where we can do our exercises or squatting, and then we can chat for the rest of it. Let me know if you're interested in doing it like that, or if you have a better suggestion, let me know. Okay, because we need to get the body in tip-top shape. We're you know, we're in the older millennial category now, and we're trying to be sexy, not even fit. We're trying to be sexy. Okay, I'm trying to look good naked. Anyway, so yeah, let me show y'all what I'm working with. So days have passed and I'm no better off. In fact, I'm actually a little worse off because the suitcase are overweight and that can't work. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to spend the night packing. Yeah, boss? Supposed to? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to spend, and I also have to wash my hair. I have to wash my hair. It's oily. It's this. How long now my hair stay so? It's been a month since I straightened my hair. So I'm gonna go take a shower and wash it, and then we'll come back and then we'll tackle the suitcase. Alright, so I'm fresh out the shower and I'm gonna try. This is my hair. I know it's not in the healthiest state, but I bought I was really looking for a blow drying brush, like, you know, the spin ones that could give you volume whenever you do the hair. And I'm not entirely sure this was the right buy. Hold on. So it does have it's like a curling iron type of deal, and I'm guessing it blows through. And it also has this brush hair, which is really what enticed me now. I don't know if it's gonna work like I think it's gonna work. Okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I suppose that okay, took it off. It's pretty easy to do that. And then put it down in there and turn it. Oop. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, wait. So it's like here. And then you turn it. Ooh, you're supposed to turn it to lock it, but okay. It's locked on. So essentially you just turn it like, wait. See? Locked, unlocked. When it's unlocked, you take it off. And then put it back and it's all sturdy. Okay, so I'm gonna try this and see if it dries my hair like I want. So I'm doing this in the bathroom, but I'm coming back to the room where the camera is to show y'all. Yeah, I don't know, like maybe, I don't know, maybe it's very slow, I can tell you that, but it's not very strong. But let me reserve judgment until I've done the rest. Okay, so absolutely not. Absolutely not. No. I'm gonna bust out my Tresemme and get my hair dry and then I'll come talk to you. Okay, so it's 9:30. This is the hair dry. That never does work. That is not it. It is definitely more of a styling tool for me as a 4B 4C girly. No, just no. And this is my hair when it is light because it's on, like I just had it straightened, so I don't see a world where, let's say I don't straighten for the next 6 months or something, that this is going to keep up. But I want to be able to go to bed soon, so I'm going to go clean up the mess that the bathroom is, and then I feel like this is it. This is gonna be short, but better it be short than I miss the day. Better it be short than I miss the day. So I will talk to you all in the next one.